Hello students, today we will talk about the explanation of second part of exercise 1.3 chapter 1st NCERT set class 11 math. Okay, so in last class what we have discussed about the subset, proper subset, superset, etc. Okay, and in this class what we will do, we will know further things of the set. So first topic we have got what? Subsets of set of real number. Subsets of set of real numbers means what are the subsets are there of real number. Real number का कितना क्या क्या subsets है ये देखेंगे. Okay. So first of all real number. Okay. And we represent it by R. Okay, and real number is having two parts, that is what? Decimal and non-decimal. Okay, real number is having two parts, decimal and non-decimal. Now if I am taking the decimal first, taking the non-decimal first, I am taking the non-decimal means what we can take? Integer. Integer means obviously related with the number line. So draw the number line first. Draw the number line first. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. dot dot minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and it is minus infinity to here it is infinity. Okay, what is it? It is the number line, and we are talking about the integer. Okay, so you can see from 0 to infinity, it is called what? Whole number. Okay, from 0 to infinity it is what? Whole number. That means set of whole number. Set of whole number is denoted by W. That means in set of whole number we will have the elements from 0 to infinity. Okay, whole number के सेट में क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स है? 0 से लेके infinity तक. Okay, now if you will take the sets, another, that is if you will take the elements from 1 to infinity, from 1 to infinity. Okay, if you will take from 1 to infinity, so what are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, these are what? Natural number. These are what? Natural number. And set of natural number is denoted by n. Okay, set of natural number is denoted by n. We are talking about the integer. Set of natural number, that means in the set of natural number what are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot 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 till infinity. Set of whole numbers, what are the elements? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot dot infinity. And this whole numbers, that means integer, set of integer is denoted by Z. Set of integer, integer means what? Positive and negative integer together. And set of integer we denoted by represent by Z. So in the set Z, what are the elements there? Z के अंदर क्या क्या elements होगा? Positive integer and negative integer, पूरा elements. That means what? Z के अंदर minus infinity to plus infinity सारा elements रहेगा. Okay, सारा elements रहेगा. So now what we can tell? Now we can tell I am not having too much space in my board, so I am taking this part only, but you will note down all the things all together. Okay, suppose I'm making here and I'm erasing this part, but you will not erase. Okay, in this portion you have to make the decimal things when I will discuss, but right now I am erasing it. तुम लोगों को सब कुछ एक साथ बनाना है, मेरे पास जगह नहीं है, इसीलिए मैं इसको मिटा के कर रहा हूं, बट तुम लोगों को सारा चीज एक साथ बनाना है, नोट डाउन करना है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी कैन टेल, z comes from where? Real number. So we can tell z is a subset of real number. N comes from where? Natural number comes from where? Integer. So we can tell natural number is a subset of integer. Whole number comes from where? Z, from integer. So whole number whole number is a subset of integer. Okay, and in another way, natural number is coming from z, that means integer, and integer is coming from real number. So directly or indirectly we can tell what? Natural number is coming from real number. Natural number is coming from real number. So natural number is a subset of real number. Similarly, whole number is also coming from real number. So whole number is a subset of real number. That means these are the parts. Integer is the parts of real number, and natural number is the part of integer. So natural number also is the part of real number. Okay, बात समझो ना? This is the real number. Okay, and this is the integer, and this is the natural number, and this is the whole number. So natural number is a part of integer. So natural number is also part of what? Real number. Simple thing. Okay, so these are called what? Set of integer, subset, and set of integer, that means z, subset of real numbers. Natural number, subset of real numbers. Integer, natural number, integer. So these are the special mathematical sets. These are the special mathematical sets. Okay, and these are the subsets of set of real number. These are the set of subsets. These are the subsets of set of real number. Set of real number means R. Okay, set of real number means what? R. Okay, so now we have discussed all the things of non-decimal. Now first of all you will pause the video and note down all the things, then we will discuss what? Decimal. So in decimal we can take what first? Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal, that means what? As an example, 2.5. Okay, and we can take what? Non-terminating and repeating. Terminating decimal, and here non-terminating and repeating. That means what? 2.777 ... Non-terminating but repeating. And another thing what we can take? Another thing we can take non-terminating and non-repeating. That means what? 2.34, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, like this. So in class 9 already we have done what? This type of things we can express in the form of a by b. That means this is what? This is rational number, and this is rational number. We can easily convert in the form of a by b. So these two things This is the example. These two things, what are these? These are rational number. These are rational number. And set of rational number we represent by Q. Set of rational number we represent by Q. And what about these number? Non-terminating and non-repeating. These are what? Irrational number. These are what? Irrational. Okay, and we represent the set of irrational number by T. Okay, we represent the set of irrational number by T. Okay, so these are the. Now we will make the subset. Now we will make the subsets of R. Okay, so I am erasing this portion. I think already you have penned down. Now, what are the things we can take? First of all, we can see T, that means irrational number, is coming from decimal and decimal is coming from R. So indirectly or directly we can tell what? T is the subset of R. That means T, set of irrational number, is a subset of R. Similarly, we can tell what? This irrational number Q is a subset of R. Okay, is a subset of R. Now what about T and Q? Can we tell T is a subset of Q? No. We cannot tell. Why? Because there is no any relation between Q and T. Q और T के बीच में कोई relation नहीं है. ये दोनों अलग है, इसका रूट अलग है, इसका रूट अलग है. ये दोनों एक ही बीज से निकला हुआ है जो है रियल नंबर. उसी बीज का दोनों पेयर है ये. ओके, सो pause the video to note it down. And one thing, you will make the whole things all together. That in right side we have made the non-decimal and in left side we have made the decimal. Okay, all together you will make. And these are the subsets. That means these are the subsets of, and this one we cannot tell. These are the subset. That means T, Q, okay, Z, okay, and as you have written here that N, okay, these are the subsets of real number.